A Nobilia kitchen must go on working, even after 10, 15 or 20 years, which is why we test all the moving modules of our furniture in continuous operation and, essential for us, always under full load. What does Nobilia quality actually mean? We place our furniture under load for up to 3 times longer than required. Where the standard specifies 60,000 repetitions, 80,000 or more test cycles are actually carried out. Quality that applies to all modules. Also, our wall cupboards and shelves can support much more than the normal weight of crockery.